December is not even here, Callie, and we are in the holiday spirit. We're talking Santa and Christmas and lights and all the fun things.
I know, and beautiful weather for anything you have planned this weekend. Temperatures this morning, they are on the chilly side, though. 26 at the airport, 32 downtown. Winds are to the southeast at 12 miles per hour, so the feels like temperature is more like 16. So you're going to want the hat and gloves as you head out the door today. One thing you will want to factor in, especially if you're headed to the foothills up to the high country, is going to be the wind. We'll see the wind gusts between 40, 50, even 60 miles per hour today up across the foothills in the high country. Here in the Front Range and out across the eastern plains, we're just going to see a light breeze between 5 and 10 miles per hour, but we could see some blowing and drifting snow on those higher peaks and passes later this afternoon through the evening hours, and then we'll see those winds slowly decrease. On the First Alert satellite and radar, mostly sunny and dry start, but we are starting to see some clouds filter in from the north, and we'll see that continue as we go through the afternoon. After a sunny start, we'll have mostly cloudy skies after about 4 o'clock today. Now, high pressure, this is the big story. We'll see this warming ridge start to slide into place as we go through the week, and this is going to really warm things up with temperatures climbing close to 60 degrees by the time we get to Wednesday. Not only are things going to be warm, but they're also going to be dry for the next 7 days. Normal high for this time of year, 47 degrees. Today, right at that, 47. Tomorrow, slightly warmer at 49, but by the time we get to the middle of the week, we're seeing temperatures climb well above normal for our first week of December, close to 60 degrees. On the futurecast, those clouds will push in from the north today, so we will have mostly cloudy conditions for the second half of the day, but staying dry statewide. Overnight, partly cloudy conditions, and then tomorrow we'll have more sunshine in store for the second half of the weekend, with those dry conditions staying with us. Through the rest of the week, we're expecting that trend to continue. As far as temperatures go, it's going to be very mild out there by the time we get to the afternoon, with temperatures climbing to the middle to upper 40s across the Front Range and out across the eastern plains, even a few 50s sprinkled in through Lamar and down through Springfield. Up in the high country, though, temperatures mainly in the 30s with a chilly 10 degrees in Gunnison by this afternoon, and out in Grand Junction, we're looking at the low 40s. Here in the city, we'll top out at 49, 50 in Inglewood out through Littleton as well, and taking you into Jefferson County across the foothills, we'll see the low to mid 40s by this afternoon. Will be a bit breezy, and taking you into the Green Mountain neighborhood, 48 degrees for a high today. We will have increasing clouds, but mild temperatures with winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, it will get chilly, especially up in the high country, dipping to 15 below in Gunnison, many places just in the single digits, with the teens and 20s here in the Front Range and out across the eastern plains. Your out the door forecast for your Sunday, it'll be sunny and dry with temperatures a couple degrees warmer than today in the upper 40s, even some of us in the low 50s. So on the Super 7-day forecast, looking ahead to this week, Monday Night Football on Monday, 51 degrees for a high, but if you're headed to the Broncos game, it'll be clear to start, 42 degrees by the fourth quarter, dipping down into the 30s, so it'll be cold by the end of the game. You'll want those hat and gloves handy, but we'll have those dry conditions, so you really can't beat that. And then as we go into this week, the first week of December, temperatures running well above normal into the 50s and staying dry all the way through next weekend.